Hello, good morning, boys. In the last class, we have discussed about rate law, and order of reaction, and how to find order of a reaction, and how to solve the problems related to order and first order equation. Okay, boys, today we are going to give you some more homeworks. As I have told you that you have to make the homeworks freshly in your copy, and that homework which is done by you have to be submitted before us, okay, for internal assessment and for other emergency conditions. Now today in the part 2, second part of chemical kinetics, the specific homework will be given from first order integrated equation. You know the first order integrated equation is T equals to 2.303 by K ln R naught by R. This is log R naught by R. This is the integrated equation of first order reaction. You know that R naught is the initial concentration of the reactant and R is the concentration of the reactant at time T, and K is rate constant. Okay, boys. So this is the integrated equation for first order reaction. You can write this equation in many ways. As I have told you that you can write this equation as ln R equals to minus Kt plus ln R naught in this way. Ln R equals to minus Kt plus ln R naught. You can also write this equation in the form of log R equals to minus K 2.303 T plus log R naught, and another form of this equation is ln R naught by R ln R naught by R equals to Kt. Another form is log R naught by R equals to K by 2.303 to T. So these are the various forms. Form number 1, form number 2, form number 3, form number 4. So see these forms of first order integrated equation, different forms of first order integrated equation, and questions related to these equations, graphical representation and question related to this equation generally come in the examination. As I am writing some of the questions, you also note down question number 1. In the graph of ln R versus T, the slope of the line is minus 200 minute inverse. Find the rate constant. This is number 1. Number 2, In the graph of log R versus T, slope of the line is minus 100 second inverse. Find the rate constant. Number 3. So these 3 problems you will solve it. It is given ln R versus T, ln R versus T, negative slope minus k. So this is equal to minus k. You can find out the value of k. In the second question, log R versus T, log R versus T, slope is given. So this is the slope minus k by 2.303, negative slope. This equal to minus 100 second inverse. You have to find the value of k. In the third question, log R naught by R versus T, the slope of the line is given. You have to find, this is the slope, k by 2.303. You have to find the value of k. So these are related to slope. Okay, boys. Now we are discussing about Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation, as you know that Arrhenius equation shows the dependence of temperature versus rate constant. Temperature and rate constant, as we know that for general cases, for most of the reaction, it has been found for every 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate constant of a reaction is doubled. So if the rate constant is doubled, obviously the rate of the reaction will also be doubled. This is a very important point to note. So if the rate constant is doubled, the rate of the reaction will also be doubled. Remember it. So that's why rate is directly proportional to the rate constant. Temperature, for every 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate constant of the reaction is nearly doubled. So this is K rate constant at T plus 10 by rate constant at temperature T. This ratio is nearly equal to 2. Remember it, rate constant at T plus 10 by rate constant at temperature T is nearly 2. This is called temperature coefficient TQ. Temperature coefficient TQ. So temperature coefficient TC or TQ, it is written in some books, it is written TC, temperature coefficient. It is nearly 2 for every 10-degree rise in temperature. Therefore, if I write that the rate constant, rate of a reaction, at 20 degrees centigrade temperature is X. Suppose it is given X molarity per second. Find the rate of the reaction. Find the rate of the reaction at 80 degree centigrade. So here is a question with the related to temperature coefficient. So this question is a very simple question, as you see. For 20 degree centigrade temperature, X molarity per second is the rate of the reaction. You have to find the rate of the reaction when the temperature is 80 degree centigrade. Okay, boys. Now we are discussing about Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation, actually it relates K and T, rate constant and temperature. This is Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation. The crude form, the original form is K equals to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. So as you know that K is the rate constant, A is Arrhenius constant, Arrhenius factor, and EA is the energy of activation of the reaction, R is gas constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin scale. So this fraction e to the power minus EA by RT, this fraction, this one denotes e to the power minus EA by RT. This term denotes that fraction of the molecules, fraction of the reacting molecules crossing the energy barrier, for productive reaction. That means in simple language you can say this denotes the fraction of the molecules having energy equal to or greater than energy of activation. Okay boys, so this is equal to the fraction of molecules FOM, fraction of the molecules, reacting molecules having energy equal to or greater than energy of activation. This means only such fraction of the molecules out of the total molecules, only this fraction will be able to form the products, not the other. The molecules which have energy equal to or greater than energy of activation, only those molecules will be able to react and to form the products. Okay boys? So this is the original form of Arrhenius equation. Look at the Arrhenius form, Arrhenius equation. This equation is written in many ways. See, I am writing here, and I will also give you some more questions related to this. So ln k equals to minus EA by RT minus EA by RT plus ln A. So this is one of the form. Ln k versus 1 by t. If we draw a graph, then the slope of the graph will be, slope of the line will be minus A by R. Again, log k equals to minus EA by 2.303 R, 2.303 RT plus log A. This is another form. What type of questions generally come in the examination? See, I am writing question number 5 in the graph of ln k versus 1 by t. The slope of the line is, it's a straight line, y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to mx plus c, the graph you know, it's a straight line with negative slope. Graph of the line is minus 2000 Kelvin inverse. No, 2000 Kelvin. The slope of the line is minus 2000 Kelvin. Okay, so find EA of the reaction. Question number 6. So these are the questions that you will solve, and in assignment number 1, part 1, I have given you some questions, and in part 2 I have given you 6 questions. All those questions you have to solve it clearly, writing the questions first. You will solve them clearly, and you will make it ready. In a single copy you will do it. Okay boys, thank you. Okay.